Hi friends, good morning. So it's 5 a.m. in the morning, if I'm not wrong. So once in a while or once upon a time, I get up so early. So today I woke up. I was thinking what to do. Uh, they are free. I mean, there are certain unlock which is happening, and the same way I'm able to travel to my office. So from long time I was not able to do any videos or post any videos to my YouTube channel. So what I thought today, what should I post? That was my question once I got up. And then I realized that there is some, hotel which will start opening from 6 a.m. to 10 a.m. and you get all the non-veg stuff in the morning. So I'll tell you about the stuff. All right, so I'm ready as you can see. So I'm just going to start my ride. Okay, so where I'm going to go? Hoskote. So Hoskote is an old town in Bangalore. It was under the. I'll tell you about the like Hoskote in the coming. On the same video, right? So for now, it's a place. I mean, from where I stay to Hoskote, I think it is around 50 kilometers. If I'm not wrong, I haven't checked the Google yet, so I'll tell you the exact kilometers what I've traveled and things. So what am I going to do there? All right, so Hoskote, it's also famous for biryani, right? So every Sunday, 6 a.m. to 10 a.m., you get biryani there, right? So I just thought of doing a ride. Maybe I'm also, after a long time, I didn't have my biryani from Hoskote, so I thought I'll just go and try that again, right? So, chalo, let's go. Let's not waste much time. I'm not going to take your time more. Let's start getting now. Now the time is 5:15, so I'm just going to start my ride. All right, here we go. Okay, so we're going to start now. All right, so it's 6 in the morning, and I hope we'll reach there by another 30 to 40 minutes. So, yeah, here we go. So, let's enjoy the drive and come with me. So Hoskote, or it's an old town, and the other name for Hoskote is called Hoskote, and it's a like as I said, Bangalore rural. It's in the rural of Bangalore, and which is about 40 kilometers from my place. So I stay in Garebapalle, which is in Hosur Road, and this is Hoskote, and it's like 40 kilometers approximately. All right, so it's a 40 minutes drive from my place to there. And if I have to talk about Hoskote, the main reason or the history of Hoskote is that it's like it's having five province, right? And the province name is Anugondanahalli, Jagadanahalli, Kasaba, Nandanagudi, and Sulibali. So it also has a lake which is called Hoskote Lake, which is a really beauty. Okay, so I'll probably not be able to get into the lake today. So because I'm a little hurry. After the drive, I have some other things on the day that is planned. All right, so you'll be seeing the lake in some time in the coming minutes. You will see about the lake. So this Hoskote is a Jagir of Maratha warrior Shaji Raja. Okay, so Jagir in the sense estate. So it was an estate for Jagir Raja. I'm sorry, Shaji Raja, and he was there in orbit. This estate was there for about 50 years, and it was also part of Swaraj of Chhatrapati Maharaj or Chhatrapati Shivaji Maharaj, right? And the other known thing of this place is that the first battle or the Battle of Oscoda, the British Mysore War, was fought in this place, and the date is 22nd and 23rd of August 1768. Yeah, so this is about the place. Okay, so I hope you are enjoying the drive or the ride along with me. So let's see, and the route that I'm going, I'll tell you the route that I've taken now. So from Garabaipalli, I have reached Madiwala, and Madiwala to Indiranagar, and from Indiranagar to Vivekananda metro station, which is a good metro, or which is a good metro station that you have. And then from there to KR-Puram, which is a market. You will see the market in the video itself. And then from KR-Puram to Hoskote is around 15 kilometers. So that's the ride. Okay, so yeah, let's stay together and enjoy the ride. So towards my left hand side that you see is KR-Puram, and a little further, I mean, I'm on the bridge now. So towards the left side, if you go service road, that is like you would find KR-Puram at this station. So maybe if it's possible, I'll show you when we are going. So this is the bridge that we have in KR-Puram. It is our biggest bridge, right? Biggest in the sense it was very famous during the time it was built, as that was a hanging bridge of Bangalore. Okay. So yeah, we have reached the KR-Puram, and it's towards my right hand side is the market. Okay. So if you're a biker, no need to get afraid of any tolls or something. So in South India towards Karnataka, Kerala, all those places you do not have any tolls. So I'm just going freely. So we are going to reach there, another 2 kilometers more to go. So after I reach there, I hope, I mean, if it's possible, maybe I'll show you all the places. I mean, I don't know if we'll be able to, because due to this lockdown, maybe there are social distancing and that things that are followed. But yeah, let me check if I can show you the place very well. Or else, please bear with me. I'll show you the same another time. Okay, so we are going to reach another 500 meters. So this service road is going to reach me to the biryani point. Okay, so from there we'll have beautiful biryani or delicious biryani. Okay, so here is our place, Mani's Dum Biryani. So hi friends, so we have reached the biryani house, and now we are going to have it, right? So they don't take any Google Pay or card or anything. Cash is the only option today. So when I came in, I had to just roam around this place to find an ATM, and you just have hardly one or two say ATMs which is close by, and that also is closed. So it's better that when you come, you can carry your cash, and yeah, you can buy from there. So I had taken, I have me and my friend, both of us are here, and for us they have, I mean, I think each biryani is close to 240 or 230 something. So the total cost is 470 rupees. So that is a biryani. So I'm going to have it now. Thank you. After having, we'll catch you. Alright, so we have finished our biryani. It was very delicious and it was very spicy as well. So sorry that I couldn't show you the entire video of the place because of the restrictions. They were not, I mean, we were not allowed to capture the videos. Okay, so that's something. So we are heading back to our home, and it was a very beautiful ride. So left side, towards my left side, that you can see is the lake that I was talking about, the Hoskote Lake, right? So that is a really big lake that they had. I'm not sure if they have some entrance towards it. Maybe the next time when I come, I would want to visit it. And this is KR market. So almost one of the biggest market in Bangalore, right? Other than KR market, this is the biggest market. So yeah, that's pretty much. I think you would get all the vegetables, fruits, and things like that from here. And anybody who's in and around Kerpuram, please do comment on my comment box. I hope we would be meeting soon. And yes, so as I was saying, this is Kerpuram, and if I go over the bridge, I'm going to Hoskote. So now I've taken the road that is downstairs, and you would see the railway station which is next to me now. So this is Kerpuram railway station, and due to lockdown, I don't see any traffic here. It's like 10 a.m. in the morning, still no traffic, and the vehicles, all those parking area is all normal, not very, I mean, say, very big parking. Normally, you don't get parking in that place. So that's pretty much I think I had in this video. It was a beautiful drive I was enjoying. And one more thing, if I have to say, the barricades that you see here, it's the new ones that has been placed. That's for the BMTC buses. Yeah, so but see that guy how he's going instead of going through the barricade, he's going outside it, and that lane is only for bus, that is BMTC bus. So I'm not sure who follows it. So I hope you like the video. If you like it, please do like, share and subscribe. Also press the bell icon so that you get all my updates. So this is Manu and you're watching Manu's vlog. So thank you so much. Signing up for today. Bye bye.